Hello and welcome to another update video on Dogecoin. What we are looking here at on this chart is still a possible 1-2 setup to the upside. I mean, it's still technically valid to view this as a 1-2 setup. I have to say this wave 2, which is a corrective pullback from an Elliott Wave point of view, it is very, very extended, very protracted. It is important, though, to understand that the price has bounced now twice from important support levels. The first support level is the 61.8 retracement at 13.2 cents. From here, we've seen something that looks like a micro 5-wave move up. We'll take a look at that in a minute. And also the price bounced before from that 61.8 retracement level at 13.2 cents. That was on the 21st of November. That was also when the price bounced from the lower boundary line of the trend channel. And this can be seen as a complex correction. And the first attempt to break out failed. We then saw another pullback and the price formed a marginally lower low. What I think is important to understand, and we can take a quick look at the daily time frame. As I just said, the price formed a marginally lower low. The relative strength index shows, hold on, the relative strength index, which is an important indicator, shows a slight higher low, so a bullish divergence. So we have a few bullish divergences built. So you see that the price formed actually lower lows on the price chart. But the RSI, the relative strength index, shows higher lows. That is at least an indication that downside momentum is slowing down. It is not technically, though, a confirmation for a reversal. What do we need for that? Well, we would need a 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave move down, and a break above a technical level, like, for example, the upper boundary line of our trend channel. So this is still seen as a corrective downtrend. But now, obviously, from that low here on the 1st of December, we've seen a 5-wave move up. So it's too early to say if we really have a full 5 waves, but I can view it as 5 waves. Another upside extension is absolutely possible because at this point, there is no evidence that we have topped. And I can easily make a case for another low. It's not needed, though. So the very first micro support area here to watch is 14.3 cents and 14.8 cents. This is, however, only to keep the initial upside momentum intact. Once we break below 14.3 cents, then it's when it's going to get interesting, because then it will open the door possibly to a wider wave 2 pullback. It will at least be a key support zone to watch then down here, which we will define. I can already give you the key levels, but for now, it's important to understand that yellow wave 1 might still extend. So it's not very clear if we are actually in a proper upside reversal. Important is to understand that with a break below 14.3 cents, we would have initial indication that at least the top has formed, and then we need to hold 13.6 cents to keep the bullish perspective intact. Below 13.6 cents, the market is likely going for a lower wave 2. Next larger degree support is at 11.5 cents. That's the update on Dogecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.